The Book of Proverbs, Chapter 6. More warnings. Have you promised to be responsible for someone else's debt, my child? Have you been caught by your own words? Trapped by your own promises? Well then, my child, you are in that person's power, but this is how to get rid out of it. Hurry to him and beg him to release you. Don't let yourself go to sleep or even stop to rest. Get out of the trap like a bird or a deer escaping from a hunter. Lazy people should learn a lesson from the way ants live. They have no leader, chief, or ruler, but they store up their food during the summer, getting ready for winter. How long is the lazy man going to lie in bed? When he is ever going to get up? I will just take a short nap, he says. I will fold my hands and rest a while. But while he is asleep, poverty will attack him like an armed robber. Worthless, wicked people go round telling lies. They wink and make gestures to deceive you, all the while planning evil in their perverted minds, stirring up trouble everywhere. Because of this, disaster will strike them without warning, and they will be fatally wounded. These are the 7 things that the Lord hates and cannot tolerate: a proud look, a lying tongue, hands that kill innocent people, a mind that thinks up wicked plans, feet that hurry off to do evil, a witness who tells one lie after another, and someone who stirs up trouble among friends. Warning against adultery. Do what your father tells you, my son, and never forget what your mother taught you. Keep their words with you always, locked into your heart. Their teachings will lead you when you travel, protect you at night, and advise you during the day. Their instructions are a shining light. Their correction can teach you how to live. It can keep you away from bad women, from the seductive words of other men's wives. Don't be tempted by their beauty. Don't be trapped by their flittering eyes. A man can hire a prostitute for a piece of a loaf of bread, but adultery will cost him all he has. Can you carry fire against your chest without burning your clothes? Can you walk on hot coals without burning your feet? It is just as dangerous to sleep with other man's wife. Whoever does it will suffer. People don't despise a thief if he steals food when he is hungry. Yet, if he is caught, he must pay back 7 times more. He must give up everything he has. But a man who commits adultery hasn't any sense. He is just destroying himself. He will be dishonored and beaten up. He will be permanently disgraced. A husband is never angrier than when he is jealous. His revenge knows no limit. He will not accept any payment. No amount of gifts will satisfy his anger.